Let's do this. CSRF on logout page. So see this. First understand the business logic always. So let's go to your profile. There is a username. I will do test. I will first log in. So test and test. It's logged in. Now, yeah, it's logged in. There's someone injected there something. No problem. Okay. So see, if you will click on the logout, this will generate what? This will be logged out. Okay. You will be the logout from this application now. Done. Let's go one more time on sign up. Let's log in one more time. If you are login, see, you are not logged in. Okay. Now see, yes, just copy this link location. Copy link location. See this. What's happening? This is a gate based CSRF on logout. If you will send this link to anyone on this web applications, and if they will authenticated, they will get logged out. Let's try this on the victim page, victim browser. See, I login. This is my victim browser. Okay, we are victim now. I am a user now. Okay, I am just a normal user now, and I logged out. I am basically logged in now. Yes, I am logged in now. See, if someone sent me this link, and if I will click on this link, what happened? I got logged out. So this is a logout CSRF. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. This maybe you will find on every websites maybe. Yes.